So the trailer of Total Dhamal came out 2 days ago and it was very, very bad. And since you guys asked us to make reasons not to watch a movie or regular thing after Thugs of Hindustan, here are our reasons to not watch Total Dhamal in theatres. Keep in mind, comedy is subjective. You might find something funny that we don't find funny at all and vice versa. And if you thought Grand Masti or Double Dhamal were funny and considered them as good films, this is not the video for you. Just click away right now. And if you do decide to watch the video, don't get butthurt. Just enjoy the video for what it is. A breakdown of the trailer and what to expect from the movie. That's all. So let's get started. Reason number 1, the direction. Total Dhamal is directed by Indra Kumar, who was the director of the original Dhamal movie as well as the original Masti movie, both of which were very good comedy movies. But since then, this guy has directed Grand Masti and Great Grand Masti, both of which were not at all funny and relied on cheap comedy. And he also directed Double Dhamal, which was just universally hated for being too damn dumb and in turn completely unfunny. He also directed the disastrous Pyare Mohan and Super Nani in the meantime. So it's clear that Indra Kumar has lost the comic touch he once had, and it's apparent in the trailer as it looks like a fucking cringe fest, which the director is trying to mask with good actors such as Ajay Devgan and Anil Kapoor. And that brings us to reason number 2. It's a cash grab. This movie is a blatant attempt at making money without any thought or creativity put into it. Signing on great actors such as Ajay Devgan and Anil Kapoor alongside a big star cast of Madhuri Dixit, Ritesh Deshmukh, Arshad Varsi, Javed Jaffrey, Sanjay Mishra and Johnny Lever, it's clear that they are just trying to pull the audience into the theatres with the names of all of these actors because it's the same storyline as the first movie. And that brings us to reason number 3. It's a copy of Dhamal. I mean, it's obvious from the trailers that the story is a straight up copy of the first Dhamal movie where everyone knows there's a treasure and they all split up to see who gets there first. See, it's a funny premise, but not when you see it again and again and again. And there will be some funny bits and pieces in those situations, but by the looks of it, the down-to-earth comedy of the first movie is just sucked out by this over-the-top silly slapstick comedy. I mean, in the first Dhamal, we saw all of them struggling to get over a small bridge with a car. But in this movie, we have a fucking western-style railroad track that they are going on. It's just ridiculous and unbelievable and not at all funny as they might think it is. Reason number 4, the decline of good comedy movies. When was the last time you watched a comedy movie in theatres that felt original and genuinely funny? Stree was one of it, but otherwise comedy movies have been declining both in quantity and quality. We do get funny movies such as Badhai Ho and Bareli Ki Barfi, but they are not comedy movies entirely, but comedy infused with emotional drama or a love story. And over the past few years, the comedy movies that we are getting are either uninspired sequels such as Grand Masti, Great Grand Masti, Welcome Back, Double Dhamal and Golmaal Again, or just straight up copies of the old movies such as Judwa 2 with the same jokes done over and over again. But there was a time in Bollywood when we got good movies like Hera Fairy, Hangama, Dhamal, Golmaal, Welcome and many more, all of which brought something new to the table. But that has been replaced in Bollywood with sequels that are just redoing the same thing to earn guaranteed money from the fans of the franchise. To end it all, we know that Total Dhamal will be marketed as a family entertainer. That doesn't mean it's not a copy of the original movie just made with a higher budget and bad VFX. Also, these are the kinds of movies that are taking us audience for granted and thinking of us as dumb people who will buy tickets to any illogical crap that they want us to watch. And honestly, we are huge fans of Ajay Devgan and Anil Kapoor and it's genuinely sad to see them working in a movie as bad as it looks. And even if it turns out to be a good movie, we are making this video on the basis of what we saw in the trailer. And it seriously looks like a movie that blows up more cars and has less funny jokes. I swear none of my friends even laughed once at the trailer. See, we aren't stopping you from watching the movie in theatres. We are just giving you our honest opinion based on the trailer that we watched. So what are your views about it? Do you think it'll actually turn out to be a good movie? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for supporting us guys. Follow our social media accounts to get to know us better, like and share this video and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.